soft as a whisper in the quiet of dawn. I hear your name floating gently along, like sunlight brushing the edge of my skin, a promise unbroken where love can begin.
Every heartbeat writes your story in mine. Every breath carries a memory in time. I walk through shadows searching for light, but you were the star that rose in my night.
And all the echoes of the past start to fade when you hold my heart like something you made. I was lost, undefined, drifting so far till your voice found me, my northern star.
You are my